So it's been about a month since we released our first dev blog, and we got some good updates for you guys. So one of the biggest changes was upgrading the project to Unity 6, which I've been kind of waiting for Unity to fix some physics issues, but right now we're in a good spot to upgrade to it, and this should give us some pretty good performance boosts, which I'm kind of excited about. It should help us get the performance that we need, along with making upgrades a little bit easier. So one of the biggest content updates we ended up adding was a tutorial. I tried to keep the tutorial pretty basic so that I'm not holding the player's hand too much, but just getting the basics down around moving, grabbing objects, and using them. And once you've kind of done that, then you're able to get through the tutorial pretty quickly. I currently have the tutorial at the very beginning of the single player demo in the early access part, and you can actually play up to 4 players co-op on the single player, which has been kind of actually amazing. We've gotten some really good testing in, and people are having a ton of fun with it. Some of the balancing issues that I'm kind of having with kind of keeping it in a single player is everybody has to kind of stay alive to get through the actual map, which makes the stress level a little bit higher when you're playing with more people, but also a ton of fun and just very unpredictable of what happens. So those are some of the main content updates that we've made. There's a lot of miscellaneous changes. We've added some new weapons, some balancing issues, along with camera updates. You can definitely check it out in the update list down below. So we're at a pretty good milestone for the project right now. I'm very happy with the gameplay loop for the demo that we have in place for the tutorial and single player map. And from there, we're going to actually start moving into development of the actual single player game, which is awesome. So stay tuned. Again, if you want to access the version 2 of this game, just make sure that you go under Steam and the beta settings for Chaotic Void under the game. It should be under properties. And then also make sure that you join our Discord and give us feedback with the newest updates. I would definitely appreciate as much feedback as I possibly can get.